Hello everyone, today we'll do a oil and filter change on a Mercedes S550 2015. This is going to be a real ghetto way of doing it right in my driveway. So as we begin, I use my jack, I lift it from the jack point, and as I lift it up, I put the jack stands on the left and right sides. There should be some rubber mounts. So now we begin removing the oil pan cover, being held by 10mm bolts. There's a total of 8 bolts that you have to remove. As we got the oil pan cover off, now we're going to remove the oil pan drain bolt. I'm using a 13mm with a ratchet as we're letting the oil drain. I get the copper washer for an oil pan drain bolt. So now I'm removing the oil filter housing. I'm using a 32mm. As I'm removing the oil filter, it's important to note the type of S550 you guys have. So for this Mercedes, it will require the AMG oil specific oil filter used in the M157. As you can see, the left is the normal oil filter and the right is the AMG oil filter. Now we're gonna start putting the oil pan drain bolt back. The torque spec from Mercedes is 15 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put back the oil filter back in the housing and torque the cap specifically to 20 foot-pounds. We are at the final step of adding the oil. As specified by Mercedes, we're going to be using a Mobile 1 0W40. As we're filling up the oil, we're going to be putting in about 9.5 liters or 10 quarts. As we filled up all the oil, now we start up the car, let it run, and recheck the oil level on the dipstick. This concludes the oil change on our Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Please like and subscribe if this helped you out.